breaking loose from all the wires, flying high on coded.
Today, we are joined by German Munoz, CEO of Guard Hawk, to invite us to be part of this innovative community.
Today, I want to invite you to be part of our technological revolution, either as a data pioneer or as an early investor. I'll ask Gabi to help us with some frequently asked questions.
Kirman, what does it mean to be a data pioneer?
A data pioneer is someone who takes back control of their personal data, decides how to share it, and receives tokens as a reward for participating in our secure and transparent platform.
How can I become a data pioneer and what are the benefits?
It's very simple, Gabi. You just have to enter your name and email on our website, guardhawk.io, and you will receive utility tokens just for signing up, and then you can earn more by sharing your data safely with verified companies.
Kirman, you mentioned that we can also be early investors. What do we gain and how can we participate?
Being an early investor means getting exclusive benefits and participating in Guard Hawk's growth from the start. With just 100 euros, you can already become an investor, and you will receive double the amount of GHUT utility tokens. There are only 3.5 months left until the token launch. Don't miss this opportunity. Very important information, we will never save the data you share. Only you will have the key to participate in campaigns. Remember, with your name and email, you are already part of our community. We are waiting for you.